Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing awesome. My name is Taranjot Kaur and I study in St. Francis School, Batala in 10th standard. So today I have got a very precious opportunity to share a short poem with you on the special occasion of 72nd Republic Day. So here it is. Don't spread the fire of racism. Don't sing the song of regionalism. Don't divide on behalf of lingualism. Please embrace humanism. We all feel the same thirst. We all feel the same hunger. We all have the same pulsation. We all breathe the same air. Then why these hard differences? Why these compulsions? Why this narrow thinking? And why this discrimination? Stop being mankind in the name of religion. Take the whole country as a single region. Don't be so blind for the sake of superstitions. Rise above your self-interest and think for the nation and think for the nation. अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है. अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है. इसीलिए तो हमारा भारत महान है. इसीलिए तो हमारा भारत महान है. Thank you and wishing you all a very happy Republic Day.